This is possibly the easiest recipe I've ever shared on this channel. Today we're making a delicious 5-minute store cupboard tomato soup. And it tastes really good. Begin by taking a large saucepan and pouring in 500 grams of tomato passata, followed by 200 milliliters of water. Next, we'll add in 1 teaspoon of paprika, a 1/4 teaspoon of chili flakes, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of dried oregano, 1/2 teaspoon of dried basil, 1 teaspoon of sugar. That's optional, but it does take away some of the acidity from the tomatoes. 5 ml of balsamic vinegar. Sherry vinegar also works really well, but I don't have that today, I've got balsamic. A good pinch of salt, a few cracks of black pepper, and some celery leaves. This is optional as well, don't worry if you don't have any, but I've got some in the fridge, so I thought I'd throw them in as well. Give everything a good mix together, and then place it over high heat and bring it to a boil. As soon as it's boiling, reduce the heat down to low and simmer it for 3 minutes. Give it a taste to check the seasoning and adjust it with salt and black pepper if needed. To serve, ladle the soup into bowls, and then I'm going to tear in some fresh mozzarella. You have to trust me here with this one. They will hold the shape, yet they will become gooey and melty, and they're an absolute treat. Definitely worth trying. And then I'll finish it with some fresh basil. That's purely for presentation, so don't worry if you don't have any. I'm serving mine with some garlic bread that I made earlier on, but you could serve it with a grilled cheese sandwich or just some bread or some toast. It's entirely up to you. So that's how I make my super quick 5-minute store cupboard tomato soup. I hope you enjoy this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.